Hello. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day ba? Happy birthday. Turang ka na. Sana maharap mo na si Rice guys. Enjoy mo yung day mo ngayon. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Len. Ingat ka lang lagi.
Happy birthday, Len. Ingat ba? Happy birthday. Ingat. Hi, sis. Birthday mo daw? Charot. Happy birthday, sis. So, thank you for everything. Sa lahat ng tulong na binigay mo sa akin, sa lahat ng advice, support. Yeah, basta thank you. And wish ko lang na masaya ka ngayon on your special day. And I know na marami ka pang gustong gawin. You have a lot of plans. And hopefully, kung ano man yung desires ng puso mo, matupad mo. So, just continue to love. And I'm just here. I will always support and cheer you in everything. And be strong always. And serve God. And everything will follow according to His will. So, yeah. We're just here. We love you. I love you. And see you soon. We will travel the world pa, diba? So, yun.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Len!
Hi, Tita Len. Happy birthday. I pray na, pakit muna. I pray na i-bless ka pa ni Lord para mas bigay blessing sa ibang tao. And i-guide ka niya sa journey mo. At sana ibigay niya na yung tamang tao para sa iyo. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tita Len. Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Tsaka, sana uwian mo na kami dito sa Pilipinas kasi nangungulinan na kami sa iyo. Real na spruta.
Hi, Tita Len. So, happy birthday. So, ito na, tama ng pagpaparinig. Ginawa na kita. So, I'm hoping na ma-appreciate mo tong simple gift namin sa'yo. And I'm praying kay Lord na bigyan ka niya ng strength para sa everyday life mo. And may God guide you and bless you. And enjoy your day. So, we miss you.
Happy
Birthday, Tita Len.
Hi, Tita Len. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Sana makahanap ka na ng lalaki na katulad ko. Amen. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita Len. We miss you. Uwi ka na.
Ingat ka palagi. Birthday, Tita Len. I miss you. Birthday, Tita Len. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Len. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Len. So, ito na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay na yan. Okay na. So, yun na yung greetings ko.
Hi, Tita Len. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Sana makahanap ka na ng tamang lalaki para sa akin. Happy birthday, Len.
Saan ang message?